Oh yeah.
This is my new computer. Clearly.
What are you gonna do with it?
We're gonna build it.
Why?
So I can play video games, do homework, and all that stuff. For
Oh,
middle school.
can I help? Can I help?
I don't know. Maybe not. I don't know. Maybe not.
Oh, what am I gonna do?
Supervise.
Okay, I'll supervise. I'll go over here.
Welcome everyone to Jaden's PC build. Today we are going to build an i3 gaming rig with this, the i3 generator.
Jaden, can I help build too?
No, buddy, you need to go play and do something.
All right.
Now let's unbox my C370 motherboard.
Uh-huh.
And then here is the motherboard right here. Scissors, please. Thank you, Adrian. And there it is.
Oh, yes.
Other stuff in here. The cords. Here is the instructions manual. And here is a disc. Let's place the motherboard on the box to build it.
Uh-huh.
From here, we are going to build the motherboard. Now we are going to unbox my Core i3 chip.
Yay!
Now we are going to unbox it. And here it is. Okay, now we are going to pull this out and insert it into here. Be careful because we do not want to touch the top or the bottom. That will ruin the computer chip. So always keep it on the sides. Now let's put the chip into the motherboard. You gotta take this, pull it out from under, like that. Slowly go like that. And be sure not to bend the pins. Now, we're going to carefully lift this up, not to touch the top. And then we're going to line these arrows together and gently set this in. Now we are going to close this lid carefully. Now we are going to save the plastic cover to store. Now our CPU is installed. Now we are going to install my RGB RAM. We're going to install 8 gigs of RAM, the minimum you want to be a gamer.
Oh, yes.
Now I'm going to open this to put on the motherboard. Cool. And these light up. Make sure to never touch these bottom pins. First, unlock the RAM slots so you can put them into your motherboard. Like so.
Okay.
Now, we will very firmly get these in place. Make sure that they're aligned. You gotta be very careful that they're aligned. And then push down firmly with fingers right here, thumb right here, and your pointer fingers right here. And then push down firmly.
Whatever.
Now let's install our other 4 gigs of RGB RAM. Make sure they're aligned carefully, then push down firmly. Now we have our RGB RAM installed. Now let's install our RGB Captain 120 cooler. And this lights up too. Right here. Now let's unbox the CP cooler now. Now we will unbox it. That's how it opens up. And here's all the stuff for this cooler. Wow, a radiator. And here it is. And here is the rest of it. My RGB cooler.
Ta-da!
Here's the fan for it. And remember, these things light up. Our cables, and the instructions. Here's all of our hardware and a cool free decal that it comes with. This is probably the most hardest part of the install so far, the cooler. Now we are going to gently turn the motherboard upside down. Very gently. We are going to install the water cool bracket. Make sure to align it with the notches, like so. Now grab these screws. Make sure to not grab the wrong ones, these ones, and put them in these holes. Okay, 4 screws and 4 holes.
Got it.
Like so. Okay, so the screws stay in place when you flip it over. You want to grab a piece of paper, do it like this, and then gently flip it over so the screws stay in place. As you can see, the screws are right here. Now we install the 4 spacer nuts. Now you want to screw them finger tight onto the motherboard. So these have a black coating. Make sure the black coating goes down when you screw these. Remember, finger tight. Now we are going to install my 500 gig SSD drive.
Oh, yes.
Cool board. You need a Phillips screwdriver for this install. This board has a heat sink for our SSD drive. We are going to install my SSD drive and make sure to push it in gently and line up these until it has a click. Like that. Now we are going to install the heat sink cover. Pull off the heat sink cover. Put the heat sink cover back on in this little hole. And then screw this down with your Phillips screwdriver. Now put the metal support brackets onto these screws. They don't go on there pretty easy, but you'll get there. There you go. And be sure to tighten the support brackets with these little nuts.
Okay.
Now let's install the water cooler. It already has the thermal paste on it, so don't touch it. Now let's install our water block cooler. Now line up these with the holes in the support brackets on the CPU. You are going to set it up and line it up with these holes in the support brackets. Make sure you do it hand tight. And now our motherboard is complete.
Yay!
Here is my X-Predator cube case. We are going to take the top off and set it to the side for now. And then we are going to mount the water-cooled radiator and the fan into here while putting the motherboard in. Now we are going to take the side panels off. Just unscrew these little screws right here. Save them because you'll need to put them back on. And now, take the side panel off. Pull straight back. Cool magnetic air filter included. Now, take off the other side. And then pull this off straight away. What is that back there? Hold on. Buddy, what are you doing in there? Get out of there now!
I'm stuck! I'm stuck! I can't get out!
Oh, God. Get over there. Next, grab your IO shield and snap it into place. Now let's install our fan on the radiator. And then use these screws with the little bottom edge and then the round top, put them in like this. And just screw them in. We are going to install our other RGB fan so it's easier to put the motherboard in. Just so if we put the motherboard in and then the fan, it's going to be hard to put in the fan. Now it's time to install our GPU, Gamer Processing Unit GTX 1060. Let's open up this bad boy. Ooh, gee, look at that. There it is.
Oh yeah.
First, we're going to take off the cover of the pins and then put this, our gaming processing unit, into the GPI slot. Welcome to Sherwood, my builders.
Hi, Jaden.
Hi, buddy.
Are you still mad at me?
No,
Can we go out and play?
no, I'm not finished yet.
Oh, okay.
We are going to install the motherboard and the radiator fan into the case.
Hi, Jaden.
Hi, buddy.
You want to play?
No, I'm not finished yet.
Oh, okay.
Out of all the builds, out of all the world, he walks into mine. Okay, so now we are going to take 2 slot covers off because the GPU takes 2 slot covers. We have to take the GPU off to install the motherboard with the 4 screws. We are going to install the radiator fan on top with the 4 screws. And now our motherboard and GPU are installed.
Quack, 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 doo-doo. Missed him.
Buddy, what are you doing?
I'm catching bugs.
Pretty sure you're killing are going to install our SATA hard drive in this little compartment. Start by unscrewing this bolt, setting it aside, and pulling this out. It just slides out. Okay. Now we are going to put this SATA hard drive into one of these. We are going to do the top one because it can reach up there. We are going to install the hard drive into the hard drive caddy. It should just click down. See? Like that. Now we are going to slide this hard drive caddy back into its place until it snaps like that. But before we put it in, we are going to run this cable through here and up here for now. And then now we're going to put this compartment back into where it goes. Like this.
Jaden, are we there yet?
I've heard about you, buddy.
What have you heard, Jaden?
You're a big-nosed, furry pain in the rear!
What's a rear?
Good grief. Now we are going to install our Blu-ray player with this SATA cable, or if you prefer, Salt cable. Oh, it's my mom. Hi, Mom. How was your day? It was okay. It's all okay. Are you okay? Okay. Okay, it's okay. We're all okay. It's fine if you're okay. You're more okay than me. It's fine. It's okay. It's fine. Okay, Dimitri? I mean, Mom. It's fine if you're more okay than me. Okay? Okay. Bye. Love you. Mom. Hello? Hi, Mom. Are you okay now? Yes, you did. Because I'm okay. We're all okay. Yeah, okay. Bye. Love you. Moms, they never stop worrying about you.
Nope.
Now is the time to install our RGB fan 500 watt power supply. We got these two papers, cords, and then in the bubble wrap, we have the awesome, the one and only power supply with cables. Get that out of here. Here's all the cables. And in the bubble wrap, we have this power supply. Yes, I've been waiting for this the whole PC build. The RGB fan. Yes. Let's do it.
Jaden! I found a yellow brick road!
We're not going there, buddy.
Fine!
Now we are going to take this back plate right here off so we can put this power supply in. Attach the back plate onto the power supply with these 4 screws. Put in the power unit through this hole where you got this from, and attach it with 4 screws. screws. But you have to wiggle it around a bit. Can we talk? We have to hook up everything. GPU, fans, all that fancy jazz. In other words, cable management. Ugh. We are going to do our cable management with these zip ties. If those don't work, black duct tape. Don't leave home without it, ever. And now it's time for cable management. Hold on tight, because it's going to be a bumpy ride. Next, we are going to install our wireless antenna for all the wireless. Okay. And then these just screw on the back of the motherboard on the I/O shield. Like that.
Jaden, what are the chances you're going to have this finished today so we can play?
Never tell me the odds. Buddy's kind of a pain. I have an idea.
Jaden!
Buddy, get down!
Oh!
Get down! Oh no! Ah, God! Ah, buddy! Get to the chopper! Now it is time to hook up the rest of our computer. We're going to start with the monitor. Here's the HDMI cables. There's little caps right here. So you got to take them off. And then make sure to plug it. It's got to go in the back of the GPU and into the back of our Acer curved screen 24-inch great for gaming monitor. So what you do is just plug this HDMI cable into the back of the GPU. Now it is time to install the keyboard. This keyboard lights up. This is my boomstick. And now we just plug it in. Now it is time for our RGB mouse. I've been waiting for this for a long time. Don't worry, Mom. I'll use this stuff for homework. Okay, so you just plug it in the back of the GPU, and then there's just a USB slot. We just slide it in. And then there we go. Our mouse is done.
Jaden!
I know what you're thinking, buddy. You gotta ask yourself one question, though. Is my PC build done yet? Well, is it, punk?
I guess not.
Whoa!
Well, hello, boys.
Buddy, who are those guys? Now it is time for our speaker system. And yes, there is a subwoofer. Don't worry, Mom. I won't blast it much. And that stuff, the cords. Of course, it's in styrofoam. Everything's in styrofoam these days. speaker system. Yeah, I can already feel it. I can already hear it. Feel it already. Now it is time for our HP Office Jet Bluetooth printer. Who cares? Now it is time to power up the PC. Finally! But you never power up without Powerade. Now it is time to power it up. What we got here is a failure to power up.
Dude.
To actually power it up. AJ! AJ! AJ!
I got you! That's what you get! That's what you get!
Plug it in!
Let me finish my song, okay?
Really?
Let's try this again.
Not again!
It might help to plug our power unit in. I'm so stupid. Let's try this for the third time.
Sorry, the service requested is not available.
You gotta be kidding me. Take 4. Okay. We flip this switch in the back. I think this is gonna help. Of course it didn't. Go check what's wrong. Take 5. My help to turn the surge protector on.
Uh-oh.
There we go. 3, 2, 1. Let me go check what's wrong again. Just when I thought I was done, they pulled me back in. Denver, we have a problem. I've tried everything. The PC won't work. I've tried opening the bot bay doors to...
Toga! 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 Toga!
Buddy, stop it. Looks like the motherboard is needing fix.
You're gonna need a bigger board!
No, I'm not. Well, I'm not worried. After all, tomorrow's another day. I'll be back. Well, it's time to send off our motherboard for repair. But they may take our motherboard. They'll never take our freedom!
I'm not free!
Don't care, buddy. Sorry, you weren't meant to see that. Magic mirror on the wall. Will my PC be fixed at all? 1 second. Buddy, what are you eating?
It's called a cheese royale!
Oh. Well, we're waiting for the motherboard to come back from repair. But us PC builders have to stick to the 4 kinds of groups. CPUs, motherboards, GPUs, and RAMs. No buffaloes.
Inconceivable! Anybody want a peanut?
I have one. Good morning, Denver! First rule of PC building, we do not talk about bad words.
Uh-huh.
The motherboard is back in, and we reinstalled it. Now, it is time to power it up. Come here, my precious. It's alive! It's alive! Now it's time to load Windows. And wait, and wait, and maybe protective. But still, lots of waiting. Now it's time to be productive while we're waiting. Like yard work. Yeah. Still waiting. Whoops. I'm gonna build this deck. I do!
We're still waiting.
Hunting hornets, it's still waiting. Dumb windows. There's one! Ah! Die!
We're still waiting.
And we're gonna be productive by making brownies. Wanna kiss my egg?
No.
Suit yourself. Mwah. This is gonna taste really good. Can't wait. Ow! I broke a nail. I broke two! Oh.
We're still waiting.
Still waiting. Yeah, I know. It's a little over my level of age. Windows is loaded! Stella! Stella! Thanks to Gigabyte for the warranty repair. The PC abides. Apparently it wasn't Beauty who killed the PC. It was just a bent pin on the motherboard. Mother said life was like a box of chocolates. Or was it buffalo wings? Oh.
Jaden! Just this morning, I saw a bunny in my PJs.
So?
But how did the bunny get in my PJs?
Nobody's perfect. Now it's time to check out our RGBGs staying alive. Okay, so here's all the lights. There's the RAM right there. Then there's this fan which has some lights. There's the power supply. The fan has lights. Then this fan has lights. The water cooler does. I don't know if you can see that, but it does. And then for here, this lights up. We got this right here that lights up. And then fan control, and then these two light up. And then got this RGBW light strip that runs all the way on this side. Then, yep, that's all it. Isn't it cool, campers? So,
Woo! Fantastic! But how does it work?
elementary, buddy. The PSU is connected to the thigh bone, and voila! Let there be light.
But is it safe?
Yes, every time an LED lights, an angel gets their coins.
Oh! And I'm Santa Claus. Cool speakers! Does it rock out?
You ain't heard nothing yet, buddy. Don't touch, buddy. Wax on, wax off. Now let's load Steam for gaming!
Yeah, baby!
Steam has been downloaded. Shall we play a game?
No, not that game again!
Say hello to my little friend. Well, our PC is done. And remember, campers, in every job that must be done, there is an element of fun. Where's my spotted tea? Gaming, for a lack of a better word, is good. Let the games begin!
So who's on first?
And who's on second? You.
Who's on third?
I don't know. Just game.
Okay.
Happy trails to you, my gamers.
Yeah. Yippee-ki-yay, mother gamers.
Buddy! To infinity and beyond!
Take that, you dirty rat.
Hey! Don't shoot me, shoot the other guys.
My bad.
Love you.
I love you too, Jaden. Hey, boys.
Papa, leave us alone. We're gaming.
All right. Woohoo! Yeah!
All right. Let's get this rolling. Cameras rolling. Credits in one take, people, all right?
Whoa, Papa. Don't you think that we should,
What? Are you talking to me? Are you talking to me?
Yeah, you're the only one here.
Oh. All right, Rudolph. I mean, where's my cameraman? Front and center.
I'm filming!
That's no excuse. Come on, let's go. Cameras are rolling. And here they are.
Hey!
Adrian, Joseph, our cameraman. Let's have a nice round of applause for Adrian.
Woo!
Adrian, I gotta ask you, how was it making your first short movie?
It was great!
All right. Is there anything you would like to change about your movie?
Less animals.
I heard that.
Shut up, buddy.
So, you would do it again?
You betcha, buddy, baby. Hold the buddy.
I heard that too.
What'd I just say, buddy? Shut up!
All right. Where's the star of the show? I need the star of the show up here. Star of the show on stage, please. And here he is. Jaden Michael, the star of the show. Let's have a good round of applause for Jaden Michael, please.
That's to applaud myself?
Jaden, I just got to ask you, how was your performance in this video?
It was okay, but I thought I was excellent. But you know, it is my firm belief that every movie should have great actors like me. Great actors! Lots of great actors. Explosions, hamburgers, french fries, ketchup, pickles, clocks, video games, action. Heck, let's get Iron Man in here.
All right, that's enough. All right, that's good, Jaden. Thank you. All right, is there anything that you thought you might want to change about this movie?
I'd like to add more dinosaurs.
Fair enough. All right, is there anything you'd like to say to your fans?
I'm the king of the world! Yeah! Woo!
All right. All right, Jaden, I got to ask you one last question. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate this video?
I would give it a solid 8 Godzillas. 9 King Kongs! 10 Godzillas! 10. No?
Hey, wait. Hey, break it up, you two. Guys, stop it. Cut. All right, I guess we got to get that Buddy guy up here. He was in the movie, I guess. Where is that kid? Buddy! Okay! Buddy, just hop up there, would you? All right, buddy, I got to ask you, how was it working with Jaden and Adrian in this movie? Well, I got to tell you. Hang on a minute.
Oh my god. Buddy, that is disgusting. Why did you do that?
That'll do, buddy. That'll do. Hang on a second, buddy. Hang on a second. Let's get a final ballot. Can we get you guys back out here for one final ballot, please? Jaden, Adrian, that's great. Why don't you each grab one of Buddy's hands? There you go. All right. Why don't you guys now just take a nice bow? That sounds good. Hey, no, don't put me down. Put me down. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go.
Are you okay, buddy?
No.
Are you gonna play some Fortnite? Yeah, sure. Only if you buy the V-Bucks. You're lucky that only has $10 on us.
That was easy.
What about